Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm actually planning on hand washing the vehicle. You feel me? And it is blazing. It's only like around 9 o'clock right now. And this summer heat is just no joke. I don't even think that I'm gonna be able to pull this off. I had wanted to do it yesterday, but yesterday was hot too. Last week it was hot. We were just getting straight heat. But let me flip my camera. I had bought a Black Magic wet shine car wash. As you can see at the top right there, say concentrated high foam formula. So it should be a lot of suds, you feel me? And it's a cherry scent. I don't know why they have a cherry scent outside anyways, because you're washing outside of the vehicle. You're not like gonna do anything inside of the vehicle. So I don't know why they have a scented soap. It don't make no sense. But it tells you all the direction in the back. I have my bucket right here at the bottom. Sorry for the mess. The garage is a mess right now. I need to like throw some of these stuff away, fix up these shoes and all that stuff. But 2 buckets of waters. This one I'm gonna just pour some of that in there. I don't know if I should wash the Lexus or wash my car. Wash the Avalon. The Avalon will be more easier because it's lower. No, the Lexus SUV is more higher, but we'll see. So yeah, I bought this from Walmart, of course. Oh, I thought it was red. It's actually clear. I don't even think that I need that much. Really don't. Pulled up the vehicle. Just wanted to show you guys up close and personal. I don't even know if the camera is gonna pick it up. Little stain right there. Look, my eyes is burning now. Boy, I tell you, rims is really dirty. I don't know if you guys could tell the difference, maybe the sun or what, but it's really dirty, guys. So let's clean this up. Feel me? Hand wash it. Do my best. Let me try to hurry up, cause man, it is blazing. Ooh. All right. Hi.
How was everything?
So far so good, thank God. Thank God for life.
Okay, what else can we do? We have to be grateful.
Yes, yes indeed.
Amen, amen. All right.
Alright, take care. Hi guys. Man. Ooh. It is hot. It is hot and I'm blazing. So far so good. Man. Alright, I'm gonna start on this side. Man, that's a piece of work. Still need to get that tire done. Alright. Do this tire right now. I gotta show you the aftermath because the sun was so hot that it said that the temperature, it cut the video because the phone was, my camera was too hot. I'm using my phone actually, and they said that my phone is too hot, so it cuts. It's crazy. It cuts the footage. But man, yeah, it's really hot out here that the camera don't even want to act right. It do look like it's gonna rain, a little overcast. You know, the sun goes in and out. But oh my goodness, guys. It is blazing. I did my best. I should have waited until the sun goes down, but I have a feeling later on I'm not gonna want to come out here. I really do need to wash my car. But instead I end up washing the Lexus. And it is blazing out here, guys. It's really hot. But this is the outcome. Did it do a good job? I missed a spot right there. I don't know if the camera, could pick it up, but I missed a spot right there. It is just too hot, guys. This weather, put this on your list. Don't ever hand wash your car when it's too hot outside. Right now it's real hot, but this is the aftermath. I didn't even rinse the rim off from the soap and just leave it like that because, as I said, the temperature, the weather switch up here a lot, so it might end up raining anyways. It's hot, dangerously, really hot, blazing. But hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm sorry about that, it cut off because, as I said, it stopped recording because it said the phone is too hot. Out here it's so hot that the phone heats up faster while I record. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to scroll across on the left. Scroll to your left in the messenger area, the message area, the comment section area. Scroll to the left and hype my video up. I really appreciate that, guys. You guys want to see my face? I'm drenched in sweat. That's how hot it is right now in Florida. Look at my eyes. My blood pressure probably went up because it's so hot outside while me washing the vehicle. But yeah, I'm drenched in sweat, guys. Look, your boy soak. It's so hot. But yeah, guys, it's clean. It's looking way better than how it was looking. And if it rains, it rains. Oh well, at least I washed it, and I used some good soap, you know. Yeah, I used some good soap, Black Magic, wet shine car wash. You know, so minimize spot and streak. So, and it was really foamy as well. It was a lot of suds. So I did my thing. It did the job. I did the best that I can. I missed one spot. I'll get that later on. But it's clean. As you guys can see, it is clean. It is clean, guys. Beautiful. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you hype my video. I heard that it helps. Make sure you hit that like. If you're new, hit that subscribe. And also hype my video. Scroll across, scroll to the left, and hype my video, guys. I really appreciate it. Peace, bye-bye, take care, and God bless. Whew, it is hot. This is just a little example how to hype somebody's video. Some people may not have this option. You just scroll to the left and just click on the hype button, and that's it. Peace.